Wake up, my sleeping beauty, so beautiful as you lie there as a princess who rests in peace, knowing that her guard will keep her safe. There is danger lurking to take you away and scatter your children throughout the earth. Wake, my beauty, for death has come to your door and hell has surrounded your family. For your king is calling, oh, the king is calling you, most beautiful one. He has issued his voice throughout your land. He is crying, wake up and present yourself, for I love you. You have went away from me, cries the king.
1970s by the DIA, the Department Intelligence Agency, that said the Russians were trying to create a panic weapon that could kill a person, literally spook them to death by creating a runaway process with the adrenal gland and increasing it till blood pressure, any sort of weakness in their circulatory system, their heart would give out. And anytime we blame the Russians for something like that, you know we're working on it too. So it seems like oftentimes stress brings it on. And I've read that in some.
Bạn sao vậy? Có gì không? Đó, sợ quá. Ngoài đi, ngoài một món đi thôi. Ôi. Em đang bấm rồi. Sao vậy? Không biết bạn đang gửi điện thoại mà. Đang gửi điện thoại á? Sao lại bạn này có bệnh rồi? Sao có bệnh gì vậy? Ôi sợ thế. Ui. Ôi thế tao thấy mày cứ tao tưởng là mày đang điện thoại hay mày kêu tưởng đổ cái gì cơ thì lại mình ôi tao đang